Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee. It's important to understand that edible toffee is crafted from food items like sugar and butter, not from paper. Paper is not a suitable ingredient for consumption and cannot be converted into a sweet treat. This guide will walk you through the correct steps to create delicious, homemade toffee using traditional ingredients and methods, ensuring a safe and tasty result for everyone to enjoy. To begin your toffee-making journey, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with 2 sticks of unsalted butter, which is 8 ounces or 227 grams, for that rich, creamy base. Next, grab 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. For an extra crunch, have about 1 cup of chopped nuts, like almonds, standing by. Now, let's get cooking. First, prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This prevents sticking. In a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your butter, sugar, and water. Stir these ingredients continuously over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves and the mixture begins to boil. Once boiling, insert a candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until the temperature reaches precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your toffee reaches the perfect temperature, remove the saucepan from the heat. Swiftly stir in the vanilla extract and the pinch of salt to incorporate them fully. Then, carefully pour the molten toffee mixture evenly onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. If you're adding nuts, sprinkle 1 cup of chopped nuts over the hot toffee right away. Let the toffee cool undisturbed for at least 1 hour until it's completely firm, then break it into delicious, bite-sized pieces to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.